Wow, very cool, man. This one, the background.
On background.
You see the wheel, the name that you made.
Oh, our logo.
And this one who was Kitson, right?
Fei,
Kitson make one.
Fei make it.
Wow. Is it hang?
Kaiser hang
Leong versus Chewy.
what Chewy?
No, inside the clan chat. Actually, he spin already, but I think the not there hang.
Oh,
First group we have Leong versus Chewy.
okay. Kaiser forever technical issues, yeah.
Drink less, upgrade more.
Get an iPhone and you won't have this issue.
And see?
Yeah, you press
Chewy.
remove. I don't know whether you're spinning now. Okay, can.
Hello. Hello.
Cash versus Azura.
Ah!
Oh, Cash?
Oh!
Cash. Next up, we have Cash.
They can eh. They can.
Azura. Azura.
Azura.
Azura.
Azura.
Azura.
Azura. Azura.
Azura.
Hey, really leh.
Azura. 我击败
Oh,
Fuck
okay. All
lah.
be good. All be good.
Uh, 我不要玩了啦。
Quit lah.
Karma's a bitch, guys.
Okay.
Hey. I demand a respin. Why I keep fighting cash one? Walao eh. First day, fated with cash eh.
You and what money matter? Huh? 哇，笑了飞！No! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! 哇，really 咧？哇，假啦！
Azura?
哇，from group stage until now 咧，
Yeah lah, you and me, but you managed to, you lose to Faye.
还没有赢过他咧。
Oh, laugh at me, right? Laugh at me, right? Sucker.
Alinity versus Ring.
Uh, okay, ladies and gentlemen, we have concluded our group stage round robin top 10 knockout. We are going to proceed with the quarterfinals.